know from where legal tax haven starts? Legal tax haven starts from a point where other tax professional existing in society finish their job. जो भी आपको इनकम टैक्स की डिडक्शंस एग्जम्पशंस अंडर इनकम टैक्स एक्ट 1961 मिलनी है, वो सब कंसिडर करने के बाद लीगल टैक्स हेवन कम्स इनटू पिक्चर.
Done with your tax savings? Done with your tax planning? अरे टैक्स एफिशिएंसी की तो कोई बात ही नहीं करता. Legal tax haven will make you tax efficient and save lakhs of rupees by reducing your taxation cost. Do you want to be tax efficient? Then watch this video 100%.
Do you know legal tax haven reduce your future taxation to zero? Already 1,000 plus individuals are already using legal tax haven and reducing their future taxation. A pure saving of up to 37%.
अपने लिए कमा रहे हो कि सरकार के लिए कमा रहे हो? अपनी टैक्स फ्री इनकम को वापस टैक्सेशन नेट में डाल रहे हो? आर यू पुटिंग योर टैक्स फ्री इनकम बैक टू द टैक्सेशन नेट फॉर इट्स ग्रोथ? हाउ? कैसे? प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो फुल.
First, you earn salary or profit. Then you pay taxation on that income. And balance income is tax-free income. Are you putting your tax-free income back to the taxation net for its growth? आप अपनी इनकम को प्रॉपर्टी में लगा देते हैं, डीमेट अकाउंट्स, इक्विटी, म्यूचुअल फंड्स, एफडीज एटसेट्रा में लगा देते हैं फॉर इट्स ग्रोथ. यूज लीगल टैक्स हेवन and grow your hard-earned money with zero taxation. A pure saving of up to 37%. Existing tax professionals focus on minimum tax savings available. Legal tax haven focus on maximum tax savings available. Do you want to do maximum tax savings and save your taxation cost? Do you pay advance tax? Do you have 2 or more PAN cards in your family? Do you pay taxation in the highest slabs? Then you are eligible to use legal tax haven. Already 1,000 plus entrepreneurs, senior management people like you are already using legal tax haven and saving their taxation cost. Hi, my name is Gurdeep Singh. I am a wealth creation specialist